Good morning student. Have a nice day. I am your computer teacher Reena madam. In this video we will learn Python explanation part 2. So let's start children. First of all we have to discuss a computer program is a collection of instructions that can be executed by a computer to perform specific tasks. Most computer devices require program to function properly. A computer program is usually written by a computer programmer in a programming language. For example, Basic, Logo, C, C++, and now we have to discuss about the Python are some example of programming language. Okay. Now we have to discuss what about Python. So everyone, we have to know first, Python is a high level programming language designed to be easy to read and simple to implement. It is open source, which means it is free to use even for commercial application. Python is considered a scripting language. Python can be used to develop different applications like web application, graphic user interface based application, software development application, scientific and numeric application, network programming, games and 3D application, and other business application. So this is this is very popular because this is very easy to learn. So first of all, Python is an open source. It means free to use and platform independent language. Okay. Python is an interpreter language and is case sensitive. Python program can run on a wide variety of hardware, platform and have the same interface on all the platforms. Means Python is a very portable programming language. Now we have to discuss in Python character set. So character set in Python consists of valid characters such as alphabet, digit and special character that are recognized by the library of Python language. For example, alphabet small a to z or capital A to z, digit 0 to 9 and special character like this and white spaces. They are characters set in a Python. Now we have to discuss token. So what about the token? The smallest individual unit in a program is referred token. For example, identifier, keywords, literal, punctuators and operator. They all are types of token in Python. So you can see here identifier, variables, functions, array, keywords, false, true, yes, no, if, else, literal, all type of constant, integer, character, floating, string, punctuator, all parentheses, operator, unary and binary operators. So they all are tokens. Okay. Now we have to discuss keywords. So children, keywords are reserved word that has specific function in a program. Keyword cannot be used as a variable name. Okay. Constant. A constant is a type of variable whose value cannot be changed. It is helpful to think of constant as containers that hold information which cannot be changed later. You can think of constant as a bag to store some books which cannot be replaced once placed inside the bag. Okay. Now we have to think literal. Okay. So what about the literal? Literal are data item that never change their value during the execution of program. So mainly four types of literal: integer, floating, string and character. The types of literal in a Python. So integer in number without any fractional part. Floating are fractional numbers. String literal is a sequence of character surrounded by a quotes. Okay, we can use the single, double or triple quotes for a string. Character literal is a type of literal in programming for the representation of single characters value within the source code of a computer program. Now we have to discuss variable. Variable is a name location used to store data in the memory. It is helpful to think of variables as a container that hold data that can be changed later in the program. For example, number equals to 10. We have created a variable named number. We have assigned the value of 10 to the variable. You can think of variable as a bag to store book in it, and that book can be replaced at any time. Okay, that is a variable. Now we have to discuss some rules for defining a variable. So in Python, a variable name may be combination of alphabets, digits or underscores. Generally, the first character in the variable name is alphabet. Blank spaces cannot be used in a variable name. Variable name are can sensitive. The name of keyword cannot be used as the variable. Name of variables. Okay. So everyone, thank you for watching my video. In next video, we will learn next thing about the Python. So have a nice day.